Hi, first grade. Now that we have reviewed all of our lowercase letters, we are going to be working on number formation. For this practice time, you'll need your packet, a pencil, and your colors to rainbow write, just like we did with the lowercase letters. You will also need a space to move because we'll practice making it with our whole body in the air. And when we're doing the writing, you'll want to make sure you're at a desk or a table where your body can be up in the correct position. If you need to stop the video to go get everything ready, you can do that now. Okay, we are going to try the 3 today. So 3 starts out just like 2. You're going to take your pencil hand over to the left side. If you're right-handed, your right hand crosses your body and starts over here. If you're left-handed, you just stick your left hand straight out to the side of your body, and it'll go like that. Okay, I'm right-handed, so I'm going to cross my right hand over. Now, like I said, it starts just like 2. I'm going to make that rainbow shape first and come over to the right side. So let's try that again. Let's do the rainbow. This one says around the tree. Now I'm going to curve around almost like I'm making a letter O or a backwards C. So try that again. So curve around, we're going to come to the middle of our body and come in, but then we're going to stop when we get to the middle of our body. Then we're going to back our hands straight back out. Then we're going to go down and we're going to curve at the bottom. So the poem that goes with this number goes like this. Okay, make your rainbow. Around the tree, back up, and then go down. Around the tree, and you're going to end on the left side. That's the way to make a 3. Let's do it again. Start over here. Ready? Around the tree, around the tree. That's the way to make a 3. I'm going to do it one more time. Ready? Around the tree, around the tree. That's the way to make a 3. Okay, we are ready to write the number 3. Let's put our finger on the words and read the poem. Around the tree, that's the way to make a 3. And you can take your finger, start up here at the top where the arrow's going, and when we finish at the bottom dot, then we'll lift our writing tool. Right now we'll practice with our finger. Okay, so you're going to go up and make the rainbow shape just like you did on number 2. We're going to go up, come down, and then it's almost like you're going to close it like this is a backward C. But then we're going to do it again, go around the tree again, and come up and stop. So around the tree, that's the way to make a 3. All right, let's practice it with red. And close my marker, try orange. And try yellow. Start at the top, around the tree, that's the way to make a 3. And we'll try green. Blue. And purple. Okay, let's switch to pencil. So, get your pencil, get your 3-finger pencil grip ready. Whether you're right-handed or left-handed, make sure to use the hand you normally write with. Okay, and then just like we did on number 2, we're going to start halfway between the top line and the dotted line and make that rainbow. And it's almost like we're going to make the 2, but then we stop at the dotted line. And then we curve and go backwards and make another tree shape, round. That's why they chose to say tree. Okay, so here I go. I go up and touch the top line, and then come down to the dotted line and pause, and then go backward a little bit, and we're going to curve down and touch the bottom line and come up a little bit, like that. And then I lift my pencil. So I go up, middle line, down, bottom line. Go up to the top, down to the middle, down to the bottom, and then stop. Remember to start at the top and go down to the bottom. Okay, let's do 3 more on this line. I'm going to make 3 lines and I'm going to talk about how to get it started. So remember, you can put your dot here if you like, halfway between the top and the bottom. I'm going to curve up and make the rainbow shape and then come down like I'm starting to close the circle, but I'm going to stop. I'm not going to go all the way. Then I'm going to back it up and go backwards, and then I'm going to go down and make another curve, touch the bottom, and then come up like that. Okay, there's my starting dot. Can go up and touch the top, come down to the middle line and stop. Don't close the circle all the way. And then scoot backward, and then I'm going to start to make another curve and stop. And one more up here. Go up and make the rainbow. Come down like you're going to make a backward C, like we're going to close it. It's almost like a 0. But then back up, make another curve. Okay, I'm going to come down to the bottom and make 5 of my very best. And then you can watch and see if I make any mistakes or have anything I need to fix. I'm going to make my starting dot come up and touch the line, come to the middle, go back, touch the bottom. Okay, that one looks good. All right, here's the next one. Well, that one I did some zigzag lines and it's not touching the bottom. So I'm going to erase that. There we go. It's all curvy. It's almost like you have 2 round circles that are open on the side. Okay, how about this one? Uh-oh, that one's backwards. Now that one, it does start to make the shape that we would with curvy lowercase letters where we go from right to left, but 3 goes from left to right. Left to right, and then close down at the bottom. Okay, how about this one? Well, it's the right shape, but it's not capital size. Numbers need to be capital size. And then I'll do one more. Well, it's the right shape, but it's a floater. It's not touching the top, it's not touching the bottom. I'll fix that. Okay, there are 5 of my best number 3s. When I come over to the how many page, I'm going to be counting either 0, 1, 2, or 3. So even though this is counting and we're doing some math, the goal is to use my best handwriting and make all of my numbers capital size. All of them need to touch the top, middle, and bottom line. And they all need to be going the right direction and be the right shape. Let's see if we can do it, okay? 1, 2, 3 butterflies. Okay, I need to touch the top, and then the middle, and then the bottom. Okay, 1, 2 flowers. Starts like a 3, and then come down to the bottom, and 3, 2, 2. What do you think about that one? Did I do my best? No. Be careful not to get in too much of a hurry, because this is just as important to write correctly as you did on the practice page. When you're doing your math, we're going to be paying attention to see if you write your numbers just as nicely on your math pages. So that is what this page is for. It's a practice to get you ready to be paying attention when you're writing different numbers in math. 1, 2, 3. Three, Okay, we have practiced the number 3 and we went back and reviewed lots of 2s and 3s. I did not put any 1s or 0s on this page on purpose because the 1 shape and the 0 shape are pretty easy because we have letters that make that shape. But 2s and 3s can get tricky, and sometimes we might accidentally make them backwards. Those are common errors, so we're going to be practicing those a lot. So good job today, and we will practice another number tomorrow.